I am Albert Einstein. You might have heard of me. I had many very important inventions. I am very good at math, and you can be too if you work really hard in class and your homework. I talked to your teacher. She said that today you would be learning about patterns. Patterns can happen with numbers, shapes, and colors. Your teacher told me that today you would be working on patterns that repeat by color or by shape. Let's start with the practice to see how much we understand about patterns so far. Everyone take out a paper and a pencil to finish this pattern. The first four in the pattern are square, circle, square, circle. What are the next two? The next pattern we will finish is of colors. The first five in this pattern are blue, red, blue, red, blue. What are the next three in this pattern? Great job, friends. Your teacher now is going to explain the next activity.